Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this crochet Christmas tree ornament. I used a G-hook, medium worsted yarn. The pattern is found down below in the description. You can go up or down on a hook size to make this bigger or smaller, and if you need to place this in slow motion, there's a video down below that will show you how to do so, or you can pause the video if this is too fast for you. Okay, let's get started. In the magic circle, you're going to create a slip stitch, chain 1, and then work a chain 3, so that was 1 and then 2, 3, and then yarn over and create 2 double crochet. Grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops to complete a double crochet. If this is your first time doing a magic circle, there is a video down below on how to do that. This is the top of the tree. You can pull that closed for the magic circle and then do a chain 3, and then turn and then work 2 double crochet in the same stitch, and then skip a stitch, and then in the last stitch work 3 double crochet. It's a little tricky and to get into that back, so if you just grab onto at least 1 loop, that's fine. So create 3 double crochet and then you will turn Okay, it's going to look like this, and then chain 1, 2, 3, turn, and then work 2 double crochet in the same stitch, and then work 3 double crochet, so right there in the center, 3 double crochet. And then 3, and then at the end of this row you're going to work 3 double crochet, and then you will turn. And then you're going to chain 1 and turn, slip stitch in the next 2 stitches, so grab the yarn and pull through, and then repeat one more time, and then slip stitch in the chain space, see the open space, slip stitch, and then chain 3, and then work 2 double crochet. And if this is too fast, you can stop it or place it in slow motion. And then you're going to work 3 double crochet and and then you're going to chain 3, and then work 2 double crochet in the same space, and then work 3 double crochet, and then 3 double crochet on the last stitch. And if you can't get it in exactly both loops, that's fine. Sometimes it's hard to get it in there. And then just work your 3 double crochet. Now it's forming into a tree. And then you're going to turn your work and chain 3, and then work 2 double crochet in the same stitch, and then 3 double crochet, and then 3 double crochet, and then in that last stitch you're going to work 3 double crochet. And then this row you're going to chain 1 and turn, and then slip stitch in the next 2 stitches, then slip stitch in, and then work chain 3, and then 2 double crochet, and then 3 double crochet, and then another 3 double crochet, and then chain 3, and 2 double crochet, so chain 3, 2 double crochet in the same space. You have this round and one more row, and then it's done. So we're almost there. And then 3 double crochet in the chain space. I want it to go step by step so it doesn't get confusing, because I know if you're a beginner it can get pretty confusing. And then one more double crochet. So this is kind of a crochet along, and then another 3 double crochet, and then 3 double crochet in the last stitch. And then we have one more round, and then this project is complete. Okay, so chain 3, and 2 double crochet in the same space, and then 3 double crochet in the chain space, and then 3 double crochet in the next, and then another 3 double crochet in the, and then we're almost done. Three double crochet in the last, and then you're going to fasten off and weave in your ends, and then your project pattern is complete. And you're just going to pull through after you're done, cut the yarn, okay, so I'm going to just weave in my ends a couple of times in the back. You can secure a loop in the back by weaving it in a few times with your yarn and your needle, or you can just omit the loop there. You don't have to have one, but if you like to hang it, it's a great way to create one on the top. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.